Hello and welcome to Phototherapy. My name again is Pastor Diron, and I'm the lead pastor here at the House of Light Assembly. On today's episode of Phototherapy, I bring you a word from the Lord, and I believe this word is for you. This word is very short and simple, and it simply states, do not negotiate with the devil. I repeat, do not negotiate with the devil. Recently, I heard the story of a man of God who was ministering on a crusade ground. And during the ministration, he sensed some demonic activity and was about to cast out that devil. In that process, he heard the devil whisper to him and say, if you take it easy with us, we will take it easy with you. If you don't bother us, we wouldn't bother you. If you don't give us a hard time, we wouldn't give you a hard time. And the man of God reduced the intensity with which he casted out the devil. He reduced the force of faith with which he was going to cast out that devil. However, after the crusade, the man of God was going home, and on his way, he had a car accident and almost died. You see, what happened there was a pure manipulation by the devil himself, trying to cut short the life of the man of God by negotiating with him. You see, the reason why you shouldn't negotiate with the devil is simple. The devil is a liar. There is nothing truthful about the devil. The devil has no capacity to tell the truth at all. Jesus Christ himself tells us in John chapter 8 and verse 44, he says, ye are of your father, the devil, and the lust of your father ye will do. He was a murderer from the beginning, and abode not in the truth, because there is no truth in him. When he speaketh a lie, he speaketh of his own, for he is a liar and the father of it. The devil has no capacity to tell the truth whatsoever. So whatever deal he's trying to cut with you is a scam, it's fraudulent, it's fake, it will not stand, because the devil can never tell the truth. I remember the story of Job in Job chapter 1 verse 7, when the Lord asked the devil a simple question, where are you coming from? As simple as that question is, the devil still told a lie in the presence of God, because everything about the devil is a lie. The devil said, I've been going to and fro the earth. Can you believe with me for 1 minute that this is true? No, it's not. Because God sees the to and the fro of all the earth. And he knows the devil was not coming from there. The last person God asked this question was Adam. And Adam told the truth. And God confirmed that truth. Adam said, I heard thy voice, and I was afraid, because I was naked and I hid my face. So God knew the devil was telling a lie, but God didn't bother arguing with him. So why would you, as a child of God, negotiate with the devil? Why would you agree with him on anything? The Apostle James, in James chapter 4 verse 7, tells us how to deal with the devil. He says, submit yourself unto God, resist the devil, and he will flee from you. We are to resist the devil, not negotiate with him, because the devil is a liar. So whatever areas of your life the devil is trying to cut you a deal, whatever areas of your life the devil is trying to negotiate with you, resist him and he will flee from you. The devil has no capacity to tell the truth. Whatsoever he says is a lie. In Lamentations chapter 3 and verse 37, the Bible says, who is he that speaketh a thing, and it cometh to pass, when the Lord has not spoken? The devil cannot speak, and it will come to pass. So whatever he tells you is a lie. So resist him. Don't negotiate with the devil. I hope this word blesses you, and I hope this revelation will cause a transformation in every areas of your life. Until I see you again in our next episode of Phototherapy, my name is Pastor Diron from the House of Light Assembly. Be blessed. God bless you, and have a great day. Bye for now.